Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking a single measurable goal, awareness, traffic, or sales, because every choice follows that. Once decided, write a 15 to 30-second storyboard with 3 beats: hook, value, call to action. Next, set your kit: phone, tripod, 1 mic, natural light, frame at 16:9 or square for Instagram. Begin shooting the hook first, short, visual, and unexpected, so you capture energy while it's fresh and keep takes to 1 to 3 seconds each. Once you have footage, jump into editing and trim ruthlessly to 15 to 30 seconds. Combine 3 to 5 quick cuts to maintain momentum. Make a 3-second opener with your logo for recognition, and end with a clear CTA card stating what you want viewers to do. Add bold captions that match your brand color palette and overlay product shots or benefit text. Make sure audio levels sit comfortably. Reduce background noise and keep voice or music slightly prominent so the message lands. Finalize by exporting H.264 at 1080p and 30 frames per second. Aim for a small file so uploads are quick. Once uploaded, run a simple A/B test. 2 hook variations with the same CTA for 24 to 72 hours to see which grabs attention. Monitor CTR and view-through rate and iterate. If performance is weak, focus fixes on the first 3 seconds. Change the visual, the line, or add motion, and retest quickly to learn what resonates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.